Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can guarantee vassal independence in Europa Universalis 5. So what you'll need to do is basically go and click on diplomacy right here. After that, go to the actions, and right here you'll see hostile actions, and you'll see guarantee vassal independence. So if you click on that one, you will be able to select the country, and for that it will require a diplomat, and you will not be able to be at war like with that country, because if I want to guarantee a vassal independence with the France, I need to have a diplomat, and I need to stop a war with France and sign a peace treaty first. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.